Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I would like to show you an unboxing of the Dark Imperium Ultimate Warhammer 40,000 box set. So like I shared with you in the previous video, with the Start Space Marines collecting box set. That was the old one, and now since 2017, because I don't know when you are watching this video, we have this box set. I don't know how long will it be available, but currently if you want to start your Space Marines army, or want to get into the hobby, or just start to collect or make and paint them, this is probably the best way how to start. So just a quick summary. This box will cost you £95 or 125 euros, and this is the direct pricing from Games Workshop. If I can, I will strongly suggest go out and check your either local game miniature shops or online, and find somebody who will give you a discount, because it is a lot of money, and at some places you can really save up. Okay, so let us start. So here in this box, as the beautiful picture depicts, we have two armies, or let's say two chapters of Space Marines Legion Astartes. We have the Ultramarines, and we have the Death Guard. And of course you can modify your Space Marines to different chapters. You just go and buy some expansion sets and you can do it. Okay, so but inside this box is a really huge box. Sorry, I cannot fit it inside the video. I try to show you another part. So on the back we can see the whole epicness of this box set, and it is really hard. So inside you will get 22 Space Marines. So let's say for these demo Ultramarines, and you will get 33 Death Guard. So that is not only in a Space Marine armor, but also you will get a few Poxwalkers. So those are the standard human size, let's say, miniatures. Okay, so you also will get a 280-page Warhammer book in hardback. This is the standard rules, core rules, and also fluff you will want and need if you want to start to play the game. If not, there are some lore inside. You can read about it to get more into the universe and understand how it functions. Also, you will get two books. So there are more, let's say, codexes, where are the rules and data sheets for your troops. So 24 pages for the Space Marines primaries, and 24 pages for the Death Guard. Also you will get a ruler and 12 dice. So everything just to start your journey. Okay, for the primaries, you will have inside the box one captain, two lieutenants, one ancient, 10 intercessors, 3 interceptors, and 5 hellblasters. On the Death Guard side, you will have one Lord of Contagion, one Noxious Blightbringer, one Malignant Plaguecaster, 7 Plague Marines, so these are these standard size Space Marines, 1 foiled Blight Drone, and 20 Poxwalkers. So the Poxwalkers are those smaller figures. Just to show you how the sizing is in the actual box, I brought here two Space Marines. So these are the standard size, the old one that you will get in the Start Collecting box set that I presented you in previous video, and these are the new primaries. So they are more taller, to say it. Lore wise, everything is explained in the series of books that Games Workshop with the Black Library is producing. So if you want to know, I strongly suggest go and watch some videos or buy the books or listen to them on YouTube. You have a few of them online. Okay, so let's see what we have inside the box. And obviously those two models are painted. For those of you who don't know, because these miniatures come unpainted and unassembled. Okay, so we have a nice art. Inside this box you will have all the sprues, of course, and at the bottom of the box you have the hardback book, so with everything explained, nice pictures side to not waste a lot of time. Here are your transfer sheets, of course, for few chapters. You can see you have the Ultramarines, the Blood Angels, Dark Angels, Space Wolves, and also here are those two codexes or rule books for the gameplay. Inside here we have all the bases, so standard 32, 40 for the Terminators, and for the Blight Drone you will get this, a large one. Also a few dice and the ruler to measure out your distance when you are. And also I forgot, here are these 3 stands for the what are they called? Hellblasters, I think they are called Hellblasters. There are these units here. As you can see, they have jump packs and they are depicted in a nice action pose on these bases mounted in over the ground. Okay, so let's put these things aside and let's look spruce. So this box is packed full, as you can see. The first sprue, as you can see, here are some jump packs. This is the cloak for the captain, so I will say this part is the captain in the Terminator, Grievous Terminator armor. Then on the second part we have Dead Guard. So here are the box walkers, just for size comparison. I hope you can see the size differences. So they look like cultists, basically. Okay, here have we the Dead Guard, Terminator sprue, another sprue with the box walkers, here are the weapons for the Space Marines, Intercessors, and another one. So this is just your standard Space Marine, Primaris Space Marine. Okay, these two large sprues here. We have the banner, the chapter standard, a few Space Marine bodies, and this last sprue contains the Blighter drone and also the main HQ for the Dead Guard. Really nicely detailed, beautifully made. So these parts are made out of plastic, so you don't need to wash them or rinse them in any kind of solutions. That one is reserved for the Citadel, Forge for Citadel resin kits. They are much more detailed and much more expensive, of course, but you need to soak them in water before you can basically put them together with glue. So everything you just need is some tools, glue, and you can start working on your army. So really nice box set. I highly recommend it if you want to start your Space Marines Primaris chapter. And they are really, in my opinion, much better, also design wise, and also larger size will give you easy way to paint them. And shop around to get it cheaper, because the price of 125 euros is in my opinion a little bit too much. But on the other hand, these are heavily discounted. If you consider, if you want to buy them separately, you will pay much more money for them. So if you have a friend who wants to make a Dead Guard or Primaris, you can sell half of the box to him, and then you will save also money. If you have any questions, leave comments down below, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.